Is your Lorex 4K NVR not turning on? Don't panic. This section will guide you through the most common causes and fixes. The primary culprits are usually related to the power supply, hard drive, or the boot process. We'll focus on diagnosing these issues. First, visually inspect the power adapter and its connections. Ensure the adapter is securely plugged into both the NVR and the power outlet. Check the power outlet itself by plugging in another device. Next, observe the NVR for any LED indicators. No lights usually point to a power supply issue. If there are lights but no display, the problem might lie with the HDD or boot sequence. If a power surge or outage recently occurred, it could have damaged the internal PSU. If possible, test with a known good power adapter that meets the NVR's 12-volt DC 3.8 specification. If you suspect a faulty power adapter, replace it with a compatible one. For HDD issues, start by reseating the SATA cables inside the NVR. Ensure the HDD is properly connected. If that doesn't work, try connecting the HDD to a computer to check its health. If the drive is failing or has bad sectors, replace it. If the NVR seems to power on, but gets stuck in a boot loop or shows no signal, try a hard reset. Locate the reset button, usually on the back or inside the NVR, and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. If the issue persists, a firmware reflash may be needed. Download the latest firmware from the Lorex website onto a USB drive, plug it into the NVR, and follow the instructions in the NVR's manual to initiate the firmware update. Note, older NVR models can brick if firmware update fails or has issues.